Hello guys, so this is the second part of the business of photography and camera equipment business. So now let's continue what we started. So now let's move on to the next section. So for example, this section you can edit it from here. You can add an item, or you can add the link. You can go to the link editor here. You can search here on the page. You can here customize the wave intensity, and also you can edit here the waves width and the text styles like this to attract people. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So you have to delete this image and add another one for this business. So just put it here like this. Now type, for example, photography and camera equipment. So for example, this. You can add another one here if you want. You can change this, order our products or shop our products, any text you like. Now let's move on to the background. You can choose just simple art like this. You can change the shape of these photos if you want. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here the text, you can change the paragraph, for example, like this. Also the shop label, you can change it, this label here. Also here you can add just a simple art on the background. Also here just a simple art. Here you have to delete first this image and add another one. for example this, and the background, just a simple art. You can choose this. If you want to change something, here you can change or edit the newsletter. You can change the title and the description and the button text and the design, the layout and the alignments. You can turn this on. Now let's move on to the last section on this website, the footer section. So first you can delete this. You can add image, or if you don't want to add, for example, um, so that's it. If you want to add anything new, you can just click here. You can add a blank section like this. You can delete it if you want. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website and customizing your home page and design it, now you can just save this and get back to the styling section. So here you can add products to your inventory. You can for example select the physical products and customize your price and the stock, and for example add the product name, and that's it. After this you have to add the way to get paid. After this, choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your website on Squarespace for photography and camera equipment business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.